Ever wanted a slick wallet like this? Good news. I'm spilling all the details on how to score one yourself. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Launching a meme coin the right way for massive profits? Most people are clueless, but I'm about to drop my entire profit formula to you to do the same. I've banked heavy with this method, and now you can too. So move fast. This won't stay on the table long. Don't let this one pass you by. Let's be honest, Pump.Fun has turned into a graveyard for failed meme coins. We're seeing an endless avalanche of new projects bearing any chance of success. The numbers speak for themselves. When there's this much garbage piling up, even quality coins get smothered. What was once a gold rush has become a hopeless trash heap. Honestly, it's not even worth paying attention anymore. The meme coin game is flooded with garbage projects. But here's what sets us apart from the noise. Bro, forget Pump.Fun. Radium is the golden opportunity we've been waiting for. While Pump.Fun drowns in a flood of garbage coins, Radium lets us actually stand out. And those failing projects with liquidity in red? That's the rug pull blueprint. And it's exactly what we're gonna do. On Pump.Fun, your coin disappears in seconds, but this platform, there's way better visibility. Look at the pumps. Projects here go to the moon. Only issue? You'll need to be decent at coding to make it happen. Listen up. Launchtool.io changes everything. No more coding nightmares to get on Radium. This tool handles it all. You're accessing a marketplace that usually gatekeeps non-devs, making your coin immediately looks more professional. Stick with me, and I'll show you how effortless launching becomes with the correct resources. First things first, our coin needs an identity. So open Canva and create a fresh 128 by 128 project for your logo. Search for the most absurd meme or hilarious animal photo you can dig up. Personally, I'm using this Freddy Fazbear trash can with Josh Hutcherson inside because it's absolute cinema. Tweak and position your image until it's perfect, then save it, and we're on to the next move. Alright, let's do this. Fire up Launchtool and link your Phantom wallet. First up, we're building our token's identity. We're naming this bad boy Freddy Hutcherson, and the symbol will be OCHOLERA. For the description, I will use from the Freddy Fazbear x Josh Hutcherson's whistle meme now in token form. Next, make sure to upload that fire logo we made. When you're set, hit that next button to keep the momentum going. Tokenomics section. Leave everything exactly as is. The presets are already optimized for maximum impact. That 1 billion token supply is locked in for good reason. No tweaks needed. Just hit next, and let's keep this momentum going strong. Now for creator setup, you could drop 0.1 Solana here to list your info, but honestly, skip this. That's not necessary at all. That's a straight up waste of good Solana. So smash that skip button and save those coins for something worthwhile down the line. Social media time. Yeah, you could paste your social media links like here, but let's be real. Launching on Radium gives you instant visibility most tokens would kill for. Unless you've been grinding social media for months building hype, this is just busy work. So let's keep going. Smash the skip button, and let's focus on the real game changers. Trust infrastructure. These settings are sacred. Revoke freeze lets you freeze holders. That's an alarm for the investors. Revoke mint means that you can create an infinite supply, so it's a chart killer. Revoke update lets you modify contracts. That's an investor nightmare. These are the first things the people check. Change them and watch your volume evaporate. With that said, don't touch these options. Just click on Launch My Token now. Final stretch. Your wallet confirmation is about to appear. The moment it shows up, just click Confirm and watch the blockchain do its thing. In seconds flat, boom, your token goes live for the world to trade. Welcome to the big leagues. The dashboard gives us basics, but Solskin tells the full story. So use that last Launchtool feature to verify our contract actually exists on-chain. Now the real fun begins. Onward to the next phase. The liquidity pool. No liquidity means dead charts. Jump back into Launchtool and hit that second option to send us to the Radium's interface. You'll land on the liquidity setup page with default numbers. First, connect your Phantom wallet. Mine hooks up automatically, but you might need to tap the wallet button. For base token, drop in your Memecoin's token address from Launchtool or Solscan. Put in your data. As you know, I'm rolling with OCHOLERA as the symbol and Freddy Hutcherson for the name. Hit Add User Token. Pick your coin when it shows, and boom. Your full 1 billion supply loads up, ready for action. To maximize your launch, pump 900 million tokens into the pool. That's the magic number. The quote token will be Solana, so dump all your liquidity in there. Being early gives you an edge, so throw in at least 1 to 2 Solana, but minus 0.2 Solana for the fee. Last step, set the fee to 2% and boom, you're all set for success. For your information, that 2% fee is optional. You can drop it to 0.5% or less if you want. There's no problem with that. Then just tap Initialize Liquidity Pool, confirm in your wallet, and just like that, your token's live and tradable. Alright, let's check our Photon listing. So jump back on the site and don't forget to toggle the Radium filter. Boom! Our token is now live on Radium's exchange, open for trading to the whole crypto community. Remember, this listing gets eyeballed 24/7 by tons of traders hunting for the next big play. Time to watch the charts. First, copy your token address from either LaunchTool or SolScan. Pop over to Deck Screener and do this. Select any coin's chart, then swap out its address for yours. Now you're locked into your token's performance. Those first few trades, just bots playing around. But when you see that graph take off like a rocket, that's our green light right there. Quick reminder, on Radium, your liquidity position only appears in the standard portfolio section. Keep checking back every so often. Your position will surface at the bottom in time. Remember how blockchains roll, sometimes quick, sometimes 15 minutes slow. No sweat either way. It's been 5 minutes, and we already got our first purchase of $120. That's about 1.1 Solana. We can see that our market cap, along with liquidity, is going up. So let's see how we do in the next few minutes. Now it has been 8 minutes, and this looks good. We have 4 purchases, 2 quite small, and other 2 of $65 and $86, adding up to 1.4 Solana. We have movement which benefits us by raising the market cap and liquidity. So let's continue watching. 11 minutes already, and we have another big purchase of $145. That's almost 1.4 Solana. There were a few sales, but nothing to worry about, as we can see our market and liquidity still rising. Already 1.2K of liquidity. So I say we will soon raise the sale. It's been 15 minutes and look at this. 3 purchases, the largest $215. That translates to almost 2 Solana, shooting our market cap and liquidity through the roof. 1.7K in liquidity. So it's time to retire, guys. Mission complete. Profit time. Remember to connect your Phantom wallet first. Navigate to the standard section to find your liquidity position. Then smash that sweet minus button to pull your profits. Those tokens are about to hit your account. Crank the slider all the way to 100%, showing your total commitment. But we all know the Solana is the star of the show. Punch that remove liquidity option. Verify the wallet notification that pops up. Then relax as the network processes your fat stack transfer. The method remains undefeated. I could fire up round 2 immediately. Consistent results? 9 out of 10 wins. This window won't stay open forever, so you know. Fortune favors the bold who act without delay. Keep that in mind.